Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Yusmania Alfifah Nur. Name 19321988. I'm studying University Muhammadiyah of Ponorogo in 5 semester Pendidikan Matematika. Okay, I want to tell about analysis journal. The first journal number 1, a mathematics education research agenda in Latin America motivated by coronavirus pandemic. Themes: learning mathematics during a pandemic COVID-19. Research problem: exploring COVID-19 pandemic effect in the education system of 3 Latin American countries, about problem of mathematics education in the region that need both research and action to improve Latin America mathematics education, and mathematics education problem unviolated by the pandemic. Research: the Ministries of Education of Chile, Mexico, Colombia implement measures to increase the education countries and took the decision to close kindergarten, school, college, university, and technical education institution. The teacher to continues to 2020 school years using telematic system. Conclusion: give the education uncertainty that the pandemic bring to Latin America and in response to the economic, population, geography, health, industrial, cultural, and technological dependency condition. I'm suggestion for each article. In the journal, discussion of mathematics education should take precedence over other activities because in the student it should be more about how mathematics learning continues during the pandemic COVID-19. The link of the article, the drawback of this journal research is that this research does not discuss mathematics learning. This should run the pandemic of it is finished in the journal will be in accordance with the title displayed. Journal number 2, postgraduate mathematics education student experience of using digital platform for learning within the COVID-19 pandemic era. Themes: learning mathematics during a pandemic COVID-19. Research problem: students currently do not use Zoom and are only exposed to digital platform during the COVID-19 pandemic. They need to be prepared to use digital platforms such as the web provided by school and the public web regarding learning activities. Research: graduate mathematics education students have a wide array of experience when using digital platform for learning. Some experience from research such as the exchanges of using digital platform. Back of the article, the drawback of the research in the postgraduate student provide theoretical solution with unlocking directly at how things actually happen. So I think this is necessary to only improve and direct involvement in mathematics activities carried out. Journal number 3, remaining mathematics education during COVID-19 pandemic. Themes: learning mathematics during a pandemic COVID-19. Research problem: COVID-19 and its contents have focused forced education stakeholder to shift away for learning mathematics face-to-face to online mathematics learning. Research lectured in the context of a pandemic, switching to online teaching preset and needs to be done quickly with teachers who may have little experience in the online teaching. took and the narrative learn mathematics education system that device to be recognized. Conclusion: mathematics learning activities during the pandemic needs to be recognized, starting from online activities then inflow teacher and student is continues to be connects with technology and how mathematics learning activities can be carried out online to continue to foster deep understanding. I'm a suggestion for each article. My suggestion when providing ideas from changing learning activities must be accompanied by suggestion for changing them. The lack of the article, the shortcoming in the research, realistic mathematics in the form of a model syntax consisting of X step. My suggestion for each article, my suggestion in a research in journal as refer the step of teaching and student is doing the mathematic learning model realistic mathematics education and literacy based so that both teacher and student know how the will age. The lack of the article, the shortcoming of the journal is in the explain that there are many explanations regarding the best mathematical learning model, realistic mathematics education, and literacy, so that the decision of carrying out these activities is less discussed. Journal number 5, Mathematics Model in Realistic Mathematics Education. Themes: Realistic Mathematics Education. Research problem: traditional approach to teaching mathematics are not enough to strengthen solving skill student problem and thus cannot help students to develop complete in mathematics and application modeling justification in important goals of teaching mathematics. Research mathematics model can and should be early when students early have basic competencies that modeling can the development. It is also support their mathematics modeling should be taught at very level of mathematics education for study. Conclusion: validation and one-to-one research produce valid and practical mathematics modeling problem in realistic mathematics education for learning mathematics modeling of equation and system linear equation of two variable. My suggestion for each article, my advice is to conduct research on all students in the class so that more concrete results can be seen so that the student can also take understanding from the research conduction. The lack of the article, I think the research journals provide less knowledge to teacher and student about how mathematics modeling in realistic mathematics education can be applied in school, because the result of research of 3 students so that they know little about it but cannot draw uniform conclusion, so it is definitely necessary research evenly. Journal number 6, Preliminary Research of Mathematics Learning Device Development Based on Realistic Mathematics Education RMA. Themes: Realistic Mathematics Education. Research problems: student reasoning abilities are still how and how no optimal ratio. This is because the available learning tools are not adequate, so they have no facilitate students in improving their mathematics reasoning. Research showed the research of the student showed that the student mathematics reasoning ability was not optimal, while the 7th grade student were transitioning from elementary school to student to high school and learning mathematics question to object. Concrete learning of mathematics learning must relate to everyday life. Conclusion: the research is a development research that aims to product learning tools SMA based the resulting learning tools are RPP and LKPD. They are valid, participle, and effective in important student mathematics ability, reasoning ability. I'm suggesting for each article. My suggestion is that the result of the research are still unsatisfactory because many students are less about the analyze and are not as interested in an activity. So it is better to have a little activity directs toward what this activity leads to that both teacher and student can find this is objective. Lack of the article, lack of definitely relate to this research so that its effect to profess the student and teacher activity encourage or device development realistic based mathematics learning mathematics education RME. Journal number 7, the analysis of proportional reasoning problem in the Indonesia mathematics textbook of the junior high school. Themes mathematics textbook. Research problem, the proportional reasoning problem in each chapter of the grade 7 grade 8 textbook is analyzing using LCD criteria development by Smith and Stein by the author. Research, most of the problem in Indonesia mathematics textbook are focused on the product important algorithm and finding of Sweding's mathematics textbook. Latching provide opportunity for students in problem research to proportional reasoning. Conclusion, based on the result of the student, it can be concluded that the distribution of proportional reasoning problem is book teaching grade 7 and grade 8. In 2013 curriculum, it is not evenly distributed. I'm suggestion for each article. My advice in research is to include all 9 grade books so that in the description is the journal Aleph complete in junior high school. The last, the lack of the article, in my opinion, the weakness of this research is that there are too many problems and they are discussion, so that focus of the research in started. The gap of the article, the article 1, 2, and 3 in the DAMS learning mathematics during a pandemic COVID-19 explanation. The equation in journal 1, 2, and 3 discuss how the learning of occurred during the COVID-19 pandemic. They are showing but concrete research relate to the impact of the pandemic and learning activities took place. The difference journal. The first journal is discuss more about impact of COVID-19 on mathematical learning in Latin America, while the second journal is discuss how postgraduate student can use digital platform to learning mathematics during a pandemic. Of the last journal, and it discuss about how to reignite math learning during a pandemic COVID-19. And the journal number 4, 5, and 6, them is realistic mathematics education explanation. The similarities in journal 4, 5, and 6 are discussed the planning of realistic based mathematics learning model for learning activities in school both of teacher and student. Difference. The fourth journal discuss how to design the realistic based mathematics learning model and a complaint per literacy. While in the fifth journal is discuss how to model mathematics education on the realistic based mathematics learning model. And the sixth chapter discuss more about how start modeling realistic based mathematics learning in school. And the journal number 7, them is mathematics textbook. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.